Welcome to PCDOTS Solutions. In this video, we will introduce the effortless way to view MBOX files and folders. Let's start by downloading PCDOTS MBOX Converter tool on our machines. Now, go to the Open tab. Software support mini email client and file format choose as per your requirement. Then select MBOX file option and choose file and choose folder to load MBOX mailboxes in the software panel. As you can see, different folders listed in the software interface on the left. After that, click on that MBOX folder, and emails are listed one by one. Now, tap on the MBOX email that preview you want to see in the software interface and get the view. Tool preview the email content and other information. If that MBOX mail includes attachments, this tool allows you to open, save, and save all in one tap. So, choose as per the requirements. The next important feature provided by the tool is that you can see the message header tab. The header information of an email is a valuable source. Using this viewer, you can see the email header preview easily. The tool also enables you to see the hex view of the email. Just tap on the hex view tab. The solution also provides you the view of raw information of the email. Please click on raw message option to get the preview. This MBOX Converter tool has many helpful features such as quick search and advanced search option. These help you filter MBOX email information, also find out any word, text, or other information in the message. But, now we will wrap up the things and explained about these two features in our next video tutorial. So, subscribe to our channel to get a notification of the next videos. Have a great day.